Everyone will let you down. Everything you try won't work out. You think you're flying high, but brothers, you ain't left the ground. You say your prayers, but they won't be heard. God is busy and he don't like you. He just points and laughs at all the crazy, asinine things you do. Saying, ha ha ha, he he he. All the stupid humans, they just entertain me. Jumping up and down like a bunch of fleas, draining the earth of all its beauty. He 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 he, ha ha ha. So you went to the moon and you drove a car. You fancy yourself pretty smart. You're just a bird in a cage that never went far. Born unwanted with a family curse. Life as a loner goes from bad to worse. You're searching for Jesus, but he left the church about a month ago. I heard he was living down in Oceanside, turning salt water into cheap red wine, drunk on the beach, laughing all the time under the starry skies, saying ha ha ha, he he he. All the stupid humans, they just entertain me, jumping up and down like a bunch of fleas, draining the earth of all its beauty. He he he, ha ha ha. So you went to the moon and you drove a car. You fancy yourself pretty smart. You're just a bird in a cage that never went far. Change in your pocket, now you're almost broke, like your heart that melted down an icy slope. Your dream of swinging from a heavy rope won't come true. Words in the good book are as clear as day. If you murder yourself, there'll be hell to pay. You're just a bad actor in God's own play, and he's laughing out loud at you, saying ha ha ha, he he he. All the stupid humans, they just entertain me, jumping up and down like a bunch of fleas, draining the earth of all its beauty. He 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 he, ha ha ha. So you went to the moon and you drove a car. Fancy yourself pretty smart. You're just a bird in a cage that never went far. Everyone will let you down. Everything you try won't work out. You think you're flying high, but brothers and sisters, we ain't left the ground.
Maybe someday I will learn that old lesson, how love can burn. I should jump into the ocean just to get away from you. I remember shouting your name down at the station in the pouring rain. I bought my ticket away from you. Just to get away from you. Just to get away from you. Can't go back to the start. Can't mend my aching, broken, lonesome heart. Greyhound bus driver, drive me far so I can get away from you. Just to get away from you. Just to get away from you. This old bridge looks so beautiful. From here I see the city lights, the skyscrapers look so small. Love has finally pushed me so I fall. I'm getting away from you once and for all. Just to get away from you. Just to get away from you. Oh, just to get away. Just to get away. Just to get away from you.